If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a SHIB video update. So let's go back into the daily time frame right here, and I want to see what happened for SHIB and Bitcoin. Be careful guys, Bitcoin is looking quite bad right now, and for SHIB we also have a local double top right now, just a very small double top if you notice on the RSI. So one here, second right there, it's just a very tiny double top. Now, you know, let me tell you one thing, you still are somehow looking to come up to 1591 or 1700 level for SHIB, because to me personally it seems like this was your resistance right there, resistance right here, and you broke out of it. You still made a wick all the way up to nearly 1290. There's a little bit of a room left for SHIB to actually continue to make its move up like this and maybe get rejected there and start to move to the downside. However, if you start to see SHIB coming down and lose this price level, which is going to be 947, if you try to lose 947, that means that you're going to be back into this resistance again, and this could be a huge fake out to the upside. Not even a fake out, it's just going to be because Bitcoin was dropping down. And watch the Bitcoin update today on the channel to know the extra details for SHIB right now. So to me personally, due to the break of this resistance, you should actually, logical wise, technical wise, you have room to actually move up to this price level, you know, liquidate people who are trying to short the market. And when you go up here, that's where you're going to have that resistance, as I told you before, one resistance, second resistance, and touch here another third resistance. And you also have a potential, this one bottom, second bottom, and if you break out of that double bottom and you come above this W pattern, then you're looking for a continuation all the way to 3,343 for SHIB. So let's see what happens guys. That's pretty much it for this update on SHIB right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.